Hi there, I'm Uke Dad, and this is my competition entry for the Uke to Bridge songs I wish I'd written. And this is a song that I first heard by a guy called Evan Dando, who was in a band called the Lemonheads. Here's to you, Mrs. Robinson. I later realised it was actually by a guy called John Prine, and the song was released in 1986, and it's called The Sound of the Speed of Loneliness. You come home late and you come home early. You're acting big when you're looking small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Some days you don't come home at all. So what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the sound of the speed of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns like a fever, and I got a jealous and worried mind. So how can a love that burns forever get left so far behind? What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the sound of the speed of loneliness. You're out there being just to be on the run. Uke to Bridge, November.